only one side. He decided that we're going to use sharp, sharp inside. Sharp, like that. Okay, plus one. Drill tiny hole. Once you feel the tip of your knife, turn upside down and make guiding knot. This is the guide to rub up and forth. Pointed stake, ember, breaker. After rubbing, you break the ember. And the last one, shaving holder. A piece of bamboo twist. Take part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Museum. Sponsored na Sony Ericsson.
Pag may tampi to.
Sony Ericsson yun.
Let's go back to the shaving. Shaving still rough. Video.
Mm.
We are going to roll to our palm. To be fine and to mix it powder.
Boy, lubat na ako, boy.
And divide it into two. Make it over to shaving. Okay, the tiny hole on the plus one in between of the two shaving. Shaving holder, put on top. Soak the shaving in place while you're rubbing. Slide, there's the guiding knot. Purpose of guiding knot, once you rub, to maintain one direction. Okay, we are going to start slowly.
Kumukulo.
Umusok pantalon. If you see the smoke, increase your speed to create friction. Faster, harder. More. Okay, break the ember. If you blow, don't include your saliva. Okay, for the shaving, turn upside down.
Galing.
Put it back to the glass pan. And the flame catcher, put on top. Wow.
Tig.
Yung ayaw maniwala ng apoy, hawakan.
Those who not believe it is a real flame, touch the flame speed.
Okay, put it down. Astig. And add dry bamboo, dry meat.
Your cell phone, your wallet.
Your cash. Money.
Your cash.
Okay, if you mix, drill another hole, getting that, and reshuffle.
Amazing! He just made fire from dry bamboo.
Wow, naging talatalon.
Okay, the last part.